In this short tutorial, you will learn how to unpin a WhatsApp chat on Android. Pinned chats are useful because they keep important conversations at the top of your chat list. However, you might want to unpin a chat if you no longer need it to be at the top. The process is simple, and I will guide you through it step by step. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Chats at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you are in the Chats tab, you'll see all your ongoing conversations. This is where you can see the pinned chat at the very top. To unpin it, tap and hold on that particular chat. Holding it down will reveal several options at the top of your screen. This button is the Unpin button, so go ahead and tap on it. Once you've tapped on that button, voila! The chat has now been successfully unpinned from your list, and you'll notice that it has moved back into its normal position within your chats list among all other conversations. Unpinning a WhatsApp chat on Android is as simple as navigating to Chats, finding your pinned conversation, tapping and holding it down, then selecting Unpin from the options above. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.